Here I'm going to show you the Jill treatment system for shaving your face. I'm going to show you it comes with the razor. It comes with the cloth to clean the razor. And it comes with an extra set of razor blades that are really easy to change out. So they also have an oil that you can get, but they were sold out, so I did not get that. So I'm just using what I had here at the house. You can shave your face dry, but it's better if you shave it with some oil. And when you start, you just go in little bitty sections, and you go in little bitty strokes, going down, not up. And you can do one long stroke, but it's not best to do that. It's best if you go in little bitty sections. I'm trying to show you there how much hair is on there, but you can't see it because mine is so light. Or at least I couldn't see it. But I'm also have to wear glasses, and I'm having to do it in a mirror so I can see what I'm doing because I can't wear my glasses when I get it done. Do this. There is a myth that says that when you shave your face, it will come back thicker, coarse, darker. That is a myth. That it does not happen. It comes back the same as it was when you shave it. The reason to shave your face is because your makeup goes on smoother, your skin treatments that you do, moisturizers, cleansers, and all that, just soaks into your skin so much better without having to go through the hair that's on your face. And the makeup just looks so much better with you having a shaved face. So just remember to go in a little bit short sections, going down, and I tighten the skin a little bit where I'm at to make it easier because I have older skin, so it's a little bit more wrinkly. Now watch around your brows that you don't get too close because you do not want to lose a brow. I've not had that happen, but it could, and I can see how it easily can happen. I highly recommend this system. I really like it, that you can change out the blade. You don't have to keep buying the whole thing. All you have to do is buy the blades. I will have a link down below. And I really appreciate you guys watching this. And wait till the next video.